Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily check your balance on Telegram wallet. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. If you want to check your balance on Telegram wallet, how to do that? First of all, open up the Telegram mobile application. Now first thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. Now what you need to do is at the top right is the search button, tap on that and search for Telegram wallet. As you can see in the recents, I have already searched it. Tap on it, and from here if you want to see your balance or your current balance on your wallet, simply tap on open wallet, and that is how you can check the balance on your Telegram wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.